This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the front edge of the bonnet a little, pull the safety catch to release it, and fully open the bonnet. The air filter is located at the side of the engine compartment. Undo the screws. Lift the front edge and disengage the hinges at the front of the air cleaner lid. Take care not to strain the air mass meter wiring and air duct. Lift the filter element from the housing. Remove any dirt and debris from the filter housing. Locate the new filter element in the housing with the rubber seal uppermost. Refit the air cleaner lid and securely tighten the retaining screws. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.